How to clear space on Facebook Lite. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you are noticing that your storage is becoming full and you want to clear space on your Facebook Lite application, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the application on your device. After you do that, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a 3-bar option. Click on it. Then it'll take you to menu. Now from over here, what you're going to do is simply scroll a bit down. Then under settings and privacy, you'll see the option which says clear space, which is on the end. Click on it. Then this interface will show on your screen. Over here, you'll see all the options to clear. Now there are many options like photo cache, video cache, stored videos, and other cache. You can either select what you want to delete, or you can simply click on clear all over here and then click on clear. After you do this, After you do this, you will remove unnecessary cache files on your phone, and it will also save your space on the phone. So this is how you can clear space on your Facebook Lite. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful and informational for you, and see you in the next video.